Have you ever closed your eyes and imagined a different life? A life filled with sunshine, a life surrounded by endless blue oceans, a life where adventure waits just around the corner. For millions around the world, this is not just a fantasy, it is a dream. It is the dream of Australia, a vast continent, a vibrant nation, a place where new beginnings are not just possible, but encouraged. This dream is powerful. It calls to people from every walk of life. It calls from every corner of the globe. It whispers of opportunity. It whispers of freedom. It whispers of a future brighter than the one they know. Why does this dream hold such a powerful grip? The pull of Australia is more than its stunning landscapes. It's a fundamental promise, a better quality of life. Think about it. World-class cities buzzing with culture and innovation, a strong, stable economy, diverse job opportunities, excellent healthcare, excellent education. The promise is woven into the fabric of society. It's the promise of a fair go, a chance for everyone to succeed. As we look towards 2025, this promise shines brighter than ever. Australia is actively seeking skilled individuals. Australia is seeking families. Australia is seeking innovators. The timing could not be more critical. The world is changing. People are re-evaluating what matters. They are searching for stability. They are looking for communities that are safe. They are looking for communities that are welcoming. They are looking for communities that are forward-thinking. Australia consistently ranks as one of the most desirable countries to live in. It offers a relaxed outdoor lifestyle and the sophistication and dynamism of a global leader. The question is, where can I build the life I've always wanted? For so many, the answer echoes across the Pacific. The answer is Australia. Waking up to the sound of kookaburras, spending weekends on sun-drenched beaches, raising your children where they can run free and safe, professional growth, personal fulfillment, becoming part of a multicultural tapestry, rich with history and full of hope. This is the dream of Australia in 2025. It is bold, it is exciting. For many, it's about to become reality. The journey might seem long, but the destination is worth every single step. Imagine stepping off a plane into a world bathed in warm, golden light. The air feels different here. It feels fresh. It feels new. This is the moment your Australian adventure truly begins. What does this new life actually look like? What promise does this vast land hold for those brave enough to make the journey? The promise begins with opportunity, technology, healthcare, construction, education. The country is not just building cities, it is building the future. Your skills, your experience, your ambition, they are needed here. The dream is clear. The promise is compelling. But a massive question looms. How? How do you turn this incredible vision into your personal reality? The path to Australia can seem like a maze, a complex puzzle of visas, rules, point systems, paperwork. It can feel overwhelming. It can feel confusing. You might not know where to start. You might be afraid of making a mistake. This is where we come in. This is why we created this channel. Welcome to Immigration Now, your trusted guide on this life-changing journey. Our mission is simple. We are here to provide step-by-step clarity. We break down the complicated. We simplify the confusing. We will take you through every stage of the immigration process. There will be no jargon you can't understand. No stone left unturned. We will be your partner, your resource, and your source of encouragement from start to finish. Think of us as your personal roadmap to a new life in Australia. We are committed to empowering you with the knowledge and confidence you need to succeed. Over the next 20 minutes, we will embark on this journey together. We will explore the main immigration streams, walk you through the application process, share expert tips, and look ahead to what life is like after you land. So, get ready. Find a comfortable seat. Take a deep breath. The next chapter of your life starts right now. This video is the first step. It is the moment you stop dreaming and start doing. The journey to Australia is one of the most exciting adventures you will ever undertake, and you don't have to do it alone. We are thrilled to have you here with us on Immigration Now. Let's begin this incredible journey together. Your future in the land down under is waiting. Let's go and get it. The journey to Australia is not one single road. It is a network of pathways, each one designed for a different purpose, each one leading to the same incredible destination. Understanding these pathways is the first critical step. It is the key that unlocks everything else. In 2025, Australia's immigration program is primarily built around four main gateways. Think of them as the four major doors into the country. Your task is to find the door that was made for you. The skilled migration stream is the largest. It is designed to attract professionals and tradespeople. The family stream, as the name suggests, is all about connection. It allows Australian citizens, permanent residents, and eligible New Zealand citizens to sponsor their loved ones. Then there is the student visa program, which brings people from around the world to study in Australia's world-class educational institutions, some of whom may later become skilled migrants themselves. Finally, the humanitarian program provides a safe haven. It is for refugees and others in need of humanitarian protection. It reflects Australia's commitment to its role as a global citizen. It is a pathway of compassion. As you can see, these four gateways cover a vast range of circumstances. They are not just about filling jobs. They are about building communities. They are about enriching the cultural fabric of the nation. They are about offering new opportunities and, in some cases, a new chance at life itself. Your personal story, your qualifications, and your family ties will determine which gateway is the right one for you. Over the next few sections, we will open each of these doors. We will look inside. We will explore the specific visas within each stream. We will discuss the core eligibility requirements for each one. Pay close attention. One of these pathways is likely your pathway. Finding it is the moment your abstract dream begins to take concrete shape. This is where your plan begins. This is the powerhouse of Australian immigration. The skilled migration stream is the most common pathway for people moving to Australia. The stream is built on the points test. For many visas, you first express your interest. Then you are awarded points based on factors like age, English ability, skilled employment history, and educational qualifications. Extra points for studying in Australia, having a partner with valuable skills, or being sponsored by a state or territory. Higher points on stronger position. More likely you'll be invited to apply. It's a competitive system to select the best candidates. Key visa subclasses: skilled independent visa, skilled nominated visa, and skilled work regional visa. Who is eligible? Start with your occupation. Your profession must be on a skilled occupation list. Get your skills assessed by the designated Australian Assessing Authority, generally under a certain age, usually 45, and meet minimum English requirements. If you can tick these boxes, you're in the running. While the skilled stream is about what you can do, the family stream is about who you know, or more accurately, who you love. This pathway is built on the fundamental principle that families belong together. The most prominent visas are partner visas. Proving genuineness is the core of the application. Evidence must show your relationship is real, continuing, and exclusive. Beyond partners, child visas and parent visas. Parent visas are more complex. These visas are popular and often have long waits. Options exist, including contributory parent visas, higher fee, faster processing. Families must weigh cost versus precious time apart. Parent visas use the balance of family test, generally meaning at least half the parent's children live permanently in Australia. This stream may seem simpler than points-based visas, but it's emotionally demanding and needs meticulous preparation. It's a journey of patience. You have seen the gateways. Now, the journey becomes personal. Choose your specific visa. This is the most critical decision in the process. Start at the official source, Australian Department of Home Affairs website. Use the Visa Finder tool. This is your starting point. Consider seeking professional advice. A registered migration agent can provide expert guidance. It's an extra cost, but often priceless peace of mind. Once you have chosen your visa, the next phase begins, the document chase. Every claim you make must be backed up by hard proof. This stage requires organization, attention to detail, and a great deal of patience. Start gathering these documents early. Now comes the moment of truth. It is time to submit your application. In that single click, your hopes are sent across the world. You have officially lodged your application. Welcome to the waiting game. This is often the most emotionally challenging part. Then, one day, it will happen. An email arrives. The subject line reads, Immigrant Notification. You take a deep breath, click and read, Visa granted. Everything changes. The waiting game is over. You have won. The plane touches down. You take your first breath of Australian air. This is it. But as you walk through the arrivals gate, a new reality sets in. You are here. Now what? Your first priority is to get the essentials sorted. Finding a place to stay, open a bank account, apply for a tax file number. These are the practical, non-negotiable tasks. Once the administrative tasks are underway, the real exploration begins. Walk the streets, discover a local cafe, order your first flat white. For many, finding a job is the most pressing concern. You might hear the dreaded phrase, "You don't have local experience." See this not as a defeat, but as a strategic entry point. It is your foot in the door. It is your chance to gain that all-important local experience. Finding a place to call home is another major milestone. The rental market can be highly competitive. Securing that first lease is a huge victory. It is the moment you truly have your own space. A job and a house provide structure, but community provides connection. Actively seek out opportunities to meet people. It is a quiet, unexpected visitor. It is the feeling of homesickness. This is not a sign of failure. It is a profoundly human response to change. Build bridges to your old life while fully engaging in the new one. Schedule regular video calls. Create new rituals and memories in Australia. Culture shock is a strange and disorienting experience. The slang can be baffling. The directness can be mistaken for rudeness. And the deep passion for sports can seem mystifying. The antidote to culture shock is curiosity and an open mind. Instead of judging a difference, try to understand it. Ask questions. Eventually, you'll reach a stage of acceptance and adaptation. The feeling of being an outsider is replaced by a sense of belonging. The different no longer feels difficult. It just feels like home. You are part of the story. You are home. As you embark on your journey to Australia, it's important to understand the broader conversation happening across the country right now. In recent months, cities across Australia have seen passionate protests about immigration, some calling for stricter controls, others demanding more inclusive and welcoming policies. These demonstrations reflect a nation deeply engaged in debate about its future, about who belongs and what it means to be Australian. For newcomers, these headlines can feel unsettling. You may wonder how these debates will affect your own journey and your place in Australian society. The truth is, immigration has always been a central part of Australia's story. It shapes our cities, our economy, and our culture. Immigrants fill vital skill shortages, drive innovation, and help support an aging population. As businesses grow and the population ages, Australia's need for skilled workers, entrepreneurs, and families remains strong. Protests and debates may influence government policy, but the long-term need for newcomers is clear and enduring. Remember, these public conversations are a sign of a healthy democracy, a society wrestling with big questions about its identity and future. If you feel uncertain, know that your journey is part of something bigger. Every new arrival brings hope, energy, and new stories to this land. Stay informed, stay connected, and remember, Australia needs you, just as much as you need Australia. By understanding the bigger picture, you can move forward with confidence, knowing your story is part of an ever-evolving Australian dream. This journey is not for the faint of heart. It demands courage. It demands resilience. In those moments of doubt, remember this. Every single immigrant who has successfully built a life in Australia has stood exactly where you are standing now. The decision to move to a new country is one of the bravest things a person can do. This is an act of profound hope. Do not ever underestimate the strength it takes to even consider this path. That strength is already inside you. Think about the reward that awaits you. It's the opportunity to raise your children in a safe, vibrant, and multicultural society. This is the prize. So be bold, be brave, believe in your dream. 2025 is your year. Take a deep breath. Muster your courage. Your new life is waiting for you to claim it. Go and get it. This 20-minute video is a powerful starting point, but your journey will have many more questions along the way. We are here to be your ongoing partner on this incredible adventure. Our commitment to you extends far beyond this single guide. Here at Immigration Now, we are constantly creating new content. We produce videos that dive deeper, share updates, interview experts, and successful immigrants. So, what is your very next step? Right now? Before you do anything else, move your mouse down below this video. Find that subscribe button, click it. Then, click the little bell icon right next to it. By subscribing and turning on notifications, you ensure that you will never miss a crucial update. It's the simplest way to stay connected and empowered. Thank you for spending this time with us today. From all of us here at Immigration Now, we wish you the very best of luck. We are cheering for you every step of the way, and we cannot wait to see you in our next video. Your Australian story starts now.